His eyes open. He snores with his eyes open.
Hi, big guy. You sleeping with your eyes open? Snoring with your eyes open? Hey, you little lammy there. I'll let you sleep.